Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 8. So week 8 we're going to talk about communication skills. This is going to be really helpful when you do your APA presentation because you have to also record a video, right? You want to be able to sound good when you're recording that video. So I think this is helpful for you in your future, and I think you will really appreciate the lecture and then also the PowerPoint and then some great speeches here by Simon Sinek. Well, like I said, it's not really about the topic. The way he presents makes you feel engaged, and we want to all get to a point where we can present that way. Further, I want to also highlight, a lot of you still have your midterm yet to do. Please be sure to do that on time, and if you have any questions before Sunday, please let me know. Week 8 is now open. If you need anything, reach out. Thanks so much for all your work, and I'll talk with you all soon.